Imagine you're a bear in the woods. A human family comes to your territory armed with marshmallows. Not even a bear spray, you wonder, shaking your fuzzy head? No, my friend, this isn't a scene from a Disney movie. This is you on a camping trip, unprepared. Don't be this family. In our non-bear existence, knowing how to navigate the great outdoors is crucial. And that's why today, we're unpacking the ultimate family camping checklist. You might think, what can possibly go wrong with a camping trip? Trust us, when Mother Nature wants to play charades, it doesn't mess around. Picture waking up to a sudden downpour and your trusty tarp is back home, cozied up in the garage. Or imagine the mosquito mafia deciding your skin is the best buffet in town and you've got no bug repellent. Let's turn the tables on these unpleasant surprises. Now, let's dive into our camping arsenal. First, in our essential kit, a sturdy tent, sleeping bags rated for the expected temperature, and a camping mattress or pad. The holy trinity of a good night's sleep in the wilderness. If you've been using your granny's quilt as a stand-in for a sleeping bag, it's time to reconsider. Second, the kitchen kit. Remember, no bear is going to hand you a salmon. So you need a portable stove, fuel, a lighter, a pot, a pan, utensils, and yes, marshmallows. You thought we were joking about that, huh? No camping trip is complete without a classic s'mores session around the campfire. Third, the clothing kit. Prepare for any weather. Summer's treacherous, remember? So pack rain gear, extra socks, and hats to shield from the sun. Forgetting these can turn your exciting wilderness adventure into a soggy, uncomfortable mess. And trust me, you don't want your memory of the great outdoors to smell like wet socks. Next, the first aid kit. Nobody plans to kiss a poison ivy or invite a bee sting, but it pays to be prepared. Bandages, tweezers, antiseptic wipes, bug repellent, and any necessary medications need a place in your kit. Last, but not the least, the miscellaneous, often forgotten sanity-saving kit. This includes items like a map, compass, flashlight, batteries, and a Swiss Army knife. Think Bear Grylls in a suburban dad's body. You might feel a tad dramatic packing these, but hey, the wilderness is unpredictable. All right, there you have it, the ultimate checklist to prevent any camping faux pas. Will you be the talk of the forest for your excellent marshmallow roasting technique? Or will you be that family the bear is bemused at? It's up to you.